Hey everybody, today I'm making another art journal page using the supplies from the Mixed Media Inspired subscription. I'm starting by using a sheet from this Mixed Media pad, and I've taken all of the images off the sheet and cut them apart, and now I'm going to glue them into my Dina Weekly Media 6x6 craft journal. I'm gluing everything down with Distress Collage medium. This is one of my preferred glues when I'm doing any kind of paper piecing because it has instant adhesion, instant drying, instant bonding. So as soon as I place down this paper onto my journal page, within a couple seconds, it's started that instant bond and it won't move and slide around, which again is great when you're doing any kind of paper piecing like this because I don't want those papers to move after I place them down. I'm working in creating a grid type pattern today using all of these pieces of paper. It sort of looks like a quilt when I'm all done with it. You can see here. And now that I have everything in place and everything is dry, I'm going to put down some rub-ons from 49 and Market. And these are all of the white stitching marks. So I'm just placing these down using my remnant rub tool. It's really easy and fast to transfer these rub-ons onto my page. And then I can move on to start gluing down some of my elements. I've cut out a bunch of these elements from that same paper pad, and I cut them out using my Fiskar micro snips. If you're wanting to know the names and colors of anything I use today, all of that is listed in the description below. So I've cut out these images and also a piece of printed vellum, which is also included in that paper pad. And I'm just placing it down on my page. I'm not putting any glue on the vellum because I want that to remain loose like it's a little flag. So I'm sticking it to the back of this cutout B circle, and then the vellum will just be loose on my page, and this will be held in place again with the Distressed Collage medium. So I wanted to add some splatter, but I didn't want to get anything on my images, so I'm taking a piece of paper towel and ripping it out to perfectly cover the areas around my images, and then I'm going to splatter down some Dina Weekly Media paint in rouge. And I watered down this paint before I splattered it, which allows it to be very loose and flowing and just be able to splatter really easy by tapping the back of my palette knife. And you can see here I have all different sizes and perfect coverage of splatter. I'm going to keep doing this until I'm happy with it, and then I can remove all of my paper towel pieces and let this dry. And with that, my page is complete. I hope you were inspired and got ideas to create in your own art journal. If so, I'd love to see what you're making, so take a picture and post it using hashtag ArtJournalJunction. If you enjoyed this video today, give us a thumbs up and let YouTube know you liked it. And also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future mixed media and art journaling videos.